Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to combine photos together on your iPhone. Now, the nice thing is you don't need any third-party apps or to download any apps. You can make photo collages and grids directly on your iPhone using the built-in apps. I'll show you exactly how it works. On your iPhone, take your finger and swipe down. Type in shortcuts. This is a default Apple app that comes pre-installed on your phone. Tap on shortcuts. Make sure to tap on library at the bottom left, and then tap on plus at the top right. We're going to create a new shortcut. Tap where it says new shortcut, that little drop down arrow, and tap rename. Let's rename this to combine photos and tap the check mark at the bottom right. Next, tap where it says search actions midway through, and we're going to search for select photos. Tap on select photos. Now we've selected those photos. You can see I can tap the drop down, and I want to include all of the potential photos on my phone, and I want to select multiple photos. Toggle on select multiple. Next, tap on search actions at the bottom. We're going to type in combine. Tap on combine images. You can see it defaults to combining the images horizontally. However, tap on the drop down arrow to the right of it, and you can see spacing. I can set the spacing if I wanted essentially a border in between those photos. I can also tap on where it says horizontally, and I can choose to have these in a vertical or in a grid. Most people probably want it in a grid to create a collage. So we've done that. Now let's tap the little X, tap on search actions at the bottom, type in save, tap on save to photos. You can see it now. It says combined image will be saved to your recents. Now, next we're going to tap on the share icon at the bottom right. Scroll down a little bit, and you can see add to home screen. Tap on add to home screen. You can choose a symbol here and a name, but I'm just going to tap on add at the top right. Now we've done everything we need to do in the Shortcuts app. To create this, it will always be there for you to use in the future. To create that photo grid or combine photos, tap on that shortcut. You can see it automatically brings up your photo library. And I'm going to choose, let's say, these 4 photos of some boulders. Tap on the check mark at the top right. And just like that, it starts to work to create that photo grid. I'm going to tap on the Photos app here. And if I open this up, now you can see it's combined all of those photos with the border spacing and everything. Keep in mind the order that you select them is the order that they put them in that grid. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out this video over to my right. I think you'll really like it. Thanks, guys.